Rube Goldberg was an American cartoonist, best known for his cartoons of complex machines that accomplished easy tasks, such as the fresh orange juice machine that involved swords, chains, and even a sleeping octopus. These comics were printed in newspapers all over, immediately gaining popularity. While Goldberg never actually made any of these machines, thousands of engineers and everyday people started recreating these iconic automations and even designing their own. When I was planning this machine, one thing that really inspired me was the book How Things Work by David Macaulay. This book explained different machines and their parts in simple terms, making it really easy to understand. My first plan of this machine had another heavier ball in a bag that would somehow fall lifting the weight. This had many problems, including that I couldn't seem to find a heavier ball. I revised that plan to look like this. This is my final plan, the one I will base my machine off. Different energy types come to play in my machine. The ball rolling down the ramp is an example of kinetic energy. It's moving at a fast enough speed to jump the lip of the bucket and roll straight in. The bucket hanging and the bucket on the ground are examples of gravitational and potential energy. They have the potential to move, but they won't until the hanging bucket fills up with water. This machine took 6 hours to build. I cut the wood, then assembled the base, and eventually made the track out of sheet metal. The final machine looked like this. What my machine is going to accomplish today is to lift a 3-kilogram weight up a meter in the air. Over here is my water source. It's going to go through the pipe once I turn it on and into the bucket. The bucket will eventually get heavier than the weight. The weight is going to roll down there when I push it all the way into the bucket. Then when this gets heavy enough to outweigh that, at the pivot point, it'll go all the way up, lifting the 3-kilogram weight a full meter into the air. That time did not work out. The weight of the ball made the handle jump out of its holder, so we added a fastener to secure it in place. The pivot point was very sensitive to the weight of the water and dropped down immediately before the ball even got into the other bucket. To stop that from happening, we added an extra weight inside this bucket. Let's hope this one works out better. Turns out that was too much weight. We lowered the weight down there, which will lower the resistance, and hopefully this time will work.